Okay, we're back, and today we're going to be doing our player health and damage script. So first we're going to go to our assets folder and right click and go to create folder. After you do that, you would rename the folder to scripts. You will right click on the folder, go to create new C# script. We'll be coding in C# for this tutorial series, and if you don't have any knowledge of C#, I'll be doing another tutorial series on learning beginner C#, or you can just go to Berserk Arcade's videos. They're pretty good. So after you go to create a C# script, you will name the C# script player health and damage. You will double click on it and open it up in your default script editor. So first what we're gonna do is define a health variable. So we'll make it a float variable, and it'll be called health. We'll make another variable and name it max health. It'll be also a float. Max health. We'll set it equal to 100. So on our start command, we're gonna set health to be equal to max health. So if we ever change it for some reason, if he drinks the potion and gets max health for a certain amount of time, a different max health for a certain amount of time, we'll always have this just in case we save. We'll implement a saving method. So next we'll go make a new method, and we'll make it public. Call it it'll be type void. Nope, will be type float, and we'll name it take damage. Put our brackets in the parentheses. We'll say int. Okay, int amount. Okay, and when this method is called in another function, we'll have to tell this script how much damage we'll tell it how much damage the player will take. So we'll say health minus equals amount. So this is very simple, a very simple way to do this. So now we will just we'll save it off. We'll minimize it. Minimize modern develop. Let Unity compile the script, and while that's doing that, we'll change the name of our cylinder to player. Okay, enter. Change the name of our directional light to. Now we'll just keep it there because we'll change it later on. And for now we will just put the main camera onto the player. Go to the main camera. Whoops. Go to the main camera. Reset its position so it's now inside the player. Drag it up a little bit and drag it back so we can see the player. Drag it up a little bit more, and rotate the camera so it's at an angle. Looking at the player. There we go. Next we'll just change it later. So this part will probably be a 2-part episode, so it might just cut off. So next what we'll do is drag our player health and damage onto our player, and as we can see, our player now has player health and damage. It now has our player health and damage script, and it looks like we have an error. Player health and damage that take damage. It now all code paths return the value. All see. Forgot to return mount. Okay, and now that I think about it, we will change this back to a void. and put this as that, so we won't get that error anymore. Okay, the error should go away, hopefully. Let it compile, and it's still compiling. It's a little bit slow. Okay, and it has disappeared. Go down. We can now see our health and our max health. So now we'll create in our scripts folder another folder, and we'll name it GUI. And this will just be a temporary script that we'll be making. We're just about to display the health. Display health. Take out the space. Okay, enter. Let it compile. Go back to Mono Develop. Open this up. Let Mono Develop compile. I'll just pause the video while it compiles. Okay, it has compiled. Now, once we've opened up our assembly folder in Mono Develop, assembly C#, go down to GUI, display health, double click it. Now, and we can just we'll just keep it for now, but we're about to add another built-in method on Unity, and it'll be on GUI. Okay, so now we'll just put GUI dot label. We're just creating a label to display the health label. Okay, we put it at the top left corner of the screen. So new rect, and in that rect it'll be at 10 pixels from the left of the screen, I believe. 10 pixels from the top of the screen. Make it 100 pixels wide and 30 pixels in height. We'll put I forgot to do one thing. Go to our start command and let's make a new variable, and we'll make a variable called public. It'll be just for this class anyway, so it'll be private PHD. It'll stand for player health and damage. Oh Lord, private PHD, and it'll be a float variable. Player health and damage. No, it'll be. I'm sorry. It'll be player health and damage. Name PHD is equal to a new player health and damage. Close it off and put our parentheses. So next we'll come here and do comma PHD dot, and then we'll do, what do we name it, health? Yes. And then we'll do dot to string, so it'll be displayed as a string since it can only display strings. Then we'll save this off, minimize. While this is compiling, we're going to create an empty game object. Okay, and name it player GUI. Okay, it's still compiling, so it's slowing the computer down. So I'll just pause the video right quick. As I paused the video, I saw the time, and it looks like we're going to stop this video and continue in part 2. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.